If the allegations that the iPhone 15 Pro would have a USB-C connector weren't enough, take heed to the most recent rumor from leaker analyst 941 that the following generation Pro iPhones will enable Thunderbolt 3 connectivity. Typically used on desktop and laptop computers, Thunderbolt 3 can handle power and video while transferring data at speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. In contrast, Apple's Lightning connection, which has been used on iPhones for the last 10 years, connects to devices using USB 2.0, a 20-year-old standard with a far lower data speed limit of 0.48 gigabits per second. The iPhone 15 Pro is expected to benefit from Thunderbolt 3 in more ways than just being quicker and utilizing the widely used USB-C port, according to planned iOS 17 capabilities. One of them, according to 941, is live 4K video output to an external monitor, which ostensibly enables you to examine what you're recording on an iPhone on a larger display without the camera controls getting in the way. While some of the iPhone's sophisticated capabilities, like the telephoto lens and 120Hz promotion display, are still beneficial for casual users, others, including cinematic mode recording and the Pro RAW picture and ProRes video codecs, are primarily targeted at aficionados. The video output option among these capabilities seems to be one of the most sophisticated and professional-grade functions ever presented on an iPhone. It follows that 941 does not consider it to be a niche feature. Even if they didn't utilize the supposed video capability, almost every user of an iPhone would still be able to enjoy a speedier connectivity. Anyone who has to transfer data between their phone and another device will value the Thunderbolt's faster speed, for example. Beyond merely video recording, the ability to display the iPhone screen on a bigger panel may have far-reaching effects. For instance, the iPhone might grow into an amazingly flexible and portable productivity tool if Apple and its developers made iOS applications particularly made to run on larger displays and provided full support for Bluetooth mouse and keyboard. Users will be able to transition between their phone and other devices without any interruptions, increasing their general productivity and efficiency. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.